ක්‍රීඩක ලියාපදිංචි අංක 128 player registration number 128 බලමු කවුරුද ක්‍රීඩකයා ක්‍රියා ප්‍රබෝධ් කුලින මූලික ලංසුව 10,000යි. We are having an initial bid of 10,000. Belongs to anybody. We have a bid for 10,000 for Prabodh Kulina. Yes, Venus Bolagna 10,000. Muli langsung kepada Venus Bolagna 10,000. Hasai for Tav Elegance. Now we are having a bid for 30,000 from Harbour. Hasai Harbour. Prathabi Musuman. First call for 40. Second call for 40. Final, I think Venus, yes, before that they race. Venus coming up in 40. Venus Santake then, Atalis Dahasai, Prabodh Kulina. Then Pula Panas Dahasai, Lansa Tabanata. Prathabi Musuma, Panas Dahasai, Lansa Tabi. Devana Vartati Musunwa, second call for 50,000. Final call, so Prabodh Kulina goes to Venus Bolagna for Sri Lankan rupees 40,000.